In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your Google site quickly and easily. Whether you're managing a small business website or a personal blog, having an accessible contact form allows your visitors to reach out effortlessly. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you want to do is head over to Google Forms. You can do this by simply searching for Google Forms in your browser. Once there, you'll want to sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. After signing in, you'll be greeted with the option to start a new form, which is perfect for our needs. Now that you're in Google Forms, it's time to create your contact form. Begin by clicking on the blank form option. Here, you'll want to add fields for the basic information you want to collect. Typically, these fields include name, email, and message. For the name and email fields, it's a good idea to make these required fields to ensure you get complete information. As for the message field, you might want to allow users to write in a paragraph style, as it gives them enough room to express their thoughts or queries. Once you've added all necessary fields, feel free to customize them as needed to fit your site's style or tone. Once your form is set up and looks good to go, it's time to share it. Click on the Send button in the top right corner of Google Forms. From here, you'll want to choose the link icon. This will provide you with a URL for your form. Simply copy this link because you'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to head over to Google Sites. Again, a quick search will bring you to the Google Sites homepage. Select the site you want to add your contact form to and open it. Once inside your site editor, look for the Insert menu option on the right-hand side. Clicking on Insert will reveal various options, and the one we're interested in is Embed. With the Embed feature, you have two options, by URL or embed code. For this method, we'll use the URL option. Paste the link to your Google form that you copied earlier into the designated field. Once pasted, you'll be able to see a preview of your form within your site. It's a good practice to position the form where you'd like it to appear, ensuring it aligns with your site's layout and design. Finally, click on the Insert button, and just like that, you have successfully added a contact form to your Google site. This method allows visitors to directly interact with you, providing a simple and effective way for your audience to get in touch. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enhance your site's functionality with a contact form. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.